What's going on, everybody? Appreciate y'all tuning in the channel here at 323 Fabrication. Back at the shop, working on some old crusty GTO junk. I'm gonna turn this around, let y'all check it out. Nothing super exciting, but a little more progress. We've decided to go ahead and rebuild a Turbo 400 ourselves. Neither one of us have rebuilt an automatic transmission. Dad's done a Muncie before, and I've been inside some standard shifts, never really rebuilt any of them, but figure it's time to learn, right? So that's the plan, but I got to get it cleaned and get it apart, see what we're gonna have to have. And then we're using some Purple Power and some China Freight degreaser and some scrapers. We're gonna go ahead and clean this old motor up. I'm gonna pressure wash it and degrease it. That way we can put some Pontiac blue back on it. See, it's blue on this side, it's orange on the front. So we're gonna clean that up. I'm gonna order a gasket kit for it. Go ahead and reseal the oil pan and valve cover gaskets. Probably pull the intake, clean everything a little bit better. Then out here on our concrete stand deal, we got old nasty Turbo 400. So we're gonna clean that up. Get a little electric pressure washer. And then been spraying the firewall and the frame down with degreaser as well, and pressure wash the car. So that's what we're doing today. Nothing super exciting, but it's progress, right? Right. Got some beautiful blue skies over us right now. It's still a little cloudy. It was storming earlier, but right when I got here it quit raining. I guess good Lord decided to bless us with some sunshine. Get out here and get a little bit done. Check this out, y'all. There is color under that grease. I don't know, you know. Which of course, you know, we're gonna drain the oil. I'm not gonna leave this motor full of water, don't worry. But it's pretty cool. It's cleaning up. Motor's cleaning up better than anything, really. Old flywheel and spacer deal and the bolts. But it's pretty sweet. It's got like a couple different blues on it and some orange. In case any of y'all want to know, this thing is, we've had this since I was in high school. It's a Husky electric pressure washer, and the wheels rotted off of it, so Dad put some tires off of like a little tiny bicycle on there. There's the old transmission. Turbo 400's cleaning up a little bit. Hopefully we'll be able to make it work. Y'all, I think I'm more excited about this. So I was pressure washing, just hosing stuff off, and look, started pressure washing on this Endura bumper, and the blue's coming through on it. I was pretty excited about. I got that idea because the green started coming through on the inside of this fender. The blue really came through on that one. I'm gonna order some Poppy's patina. I've seen some ads on Instagram. The wipe on clear coat. And I'm gonna get some paper and knock some of this really rough stuff down a little bit on like a DA, and then probably clear coat this old goat just the way it is. But I thought that was pretty sweet, getting a little more color through the bumper. I like this blue. I don't know, I mean, y'all can see this thing's pretty rough. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. I'm really leaning towards putting the orange nose on the car. I mean, it's got an orange wing, so why not, right? But I'm finna get back to pressure washing. I sprayed everything down again, let it set a few minutes. Make a little progress today. Before I get back started pressure washing, I thought about something. So this is I don't know if y'all can see it. This is a YF block. And then I tried to look it up based off the casting number for the block, which is right here. And that puts it at a 70, I want to say 1 through 5. 400 could be like a 190 horse low compression motor. It does have 4X heads on it. And see, I couldn't see this number before to look anything up based off of this, because this was full of grease and oil. So I don't know. I know some of y'all are a lot more seasoned Pontiac folks than I am, so if you know more about it, let me know. But maybe one day we'll get a little bit better motor for the car. But I'm gonna run this one for now because it runs, and building a motor or rebuilding this one ain't really in the budget. So I thought about ordering a camshaft for it, but I don't really want to have to put springs in it. But I figured it'd probably be good to have a new set of lifters, new camshaft, since I am gonna drive it. I gotta order a gasket set from Summit anyway to reseal the motor. So if any of y'all got any thoughts on any of that, let me know. You know, tell me what you think. Maybe camshaft selection. I was talking to a fella, mutual friend, got a pretty quick Le Mans. He suggested a comp mother thumper, but I mean that kit with the timing chain and everything's springs, because you gotta put springs on. That's $600, and I'm finna have to rebuild this transmission and then order wiring harness and everything else. So that's not really in the budget. But let me know what y'all think about just like a simple hydraulic flat tappet cam for this motor. But I figure y'all dig the fact that I know a little more about it anyway. All right, y'all, it's 5:30. We could do some more cleaning, but that's gonna be all for today. I gotta go pick up some wheels and tires, which I'll show y'all here in a little bit, for the old GTO. I don't know if y'all can read that. It looks like F214 to me. There's a 74, so that's probably a 74 block. And then that is 481988. That's a YF stamping on the front. So that thing cleaned up really well. I mean, to say really well, it cleaned up pretty good. Obviously, we're gonna clean it some more and it's gonna get some paint. But we're out of engine stands, so I probably should buy another engine stand, because it's been hanging on that hoist, just, well, sitting on the floor. There's the old transmission. It could use some more cleaning too, but that's as good as it's gonna get for now. But y'all need to check this out. All right, I like this blue color right here. Look at this bumper. Would you just look at it? I like that a lot better than just the black. Maybe we'll leave the bumper, put the orange valance on it. I don't know. Leave some comments. Tell me what y'all think. Video's not over, but I gotta get out of here and go get some wheels and tires. I'll let y'all see those after we get them. Before I forget, one more thing. I'll have to put a freeze plug in the passenger side head. This side's fine. The rest of these seem fine. That one's questionable. But that one's got to be replaced. It's got a little thing holding it on too. I've never seen that. So, who knows? Alright, boys and girls. I got these wheels and tires last night from Michael. Hadn't put them on the car yet. And it is almost 2 o'clock, so we're kind of just getting started. I brought the TV from the house to put in the shop. And then we decided to get the old stereo stuff out and get all it hooked up, so. Got TV and some music now. Plus, you know, you can watch tutorials like Monster Transmissions has got a video on tearing down a Turbo 400, so I'll be able to throw it up there while we do that. But without further ado, check them dudes out. 14 by 8 rears, 14 by 6 fronts. Tires ain't no good, but it don't matter. They're good looking wheels, so get this tarp snatched off this car and roll a couple over there, see what it looks like. Maybe we'll pull the car up there and swap them out. Y'all check these out. Obviously rear tire's too small, but look at that thing. Killer, ain't they? I like them. Need to get it on a lift, get the other wheels and tires snatched off and bolt them on there, make sure they're gonna clear the brakes. I'm assuming they will, but I wanna make sure. And I think I'll go get that other rear end out of the storage Connex. See if I can get a good shot. I like it. Check this bumper out, y'all. Look at how much blue paint came back through it. Thing's cool. Like I said, let me know what y'all think. I might throw the orange valance on there. I don't know if I'm gonna put the orange bumper on there, but tell me what y'all think. I like that blue paint though. I guess the whole front clips off a blue car. This thing's been wrecked, judging by how mashed up and mangled that stuff is in there. But go get this rear end out of the storage Connex. These wheels are pretty sweet. Well guys, I'll start out here. We got this whole 8.2 with the 308 gear, and somebody commented on the video, the last video, this is called an eyebrow or either an eyelash cover. It's an oiling thing. Chevrolet, I guess, did it. I don't know. Pontiac too as well. I don't know. There's no telling. This rear end might have got put in his GTO at some point in its life, you know, but it's, I mean, it's a body General Motors rear end, and it's a 67 and older based off the width. So gonna clean this dude up, weld the spider gears, put all our new brake stuff on it after we paint it. We'll restore it, some old black VHT probably, or maybe some Rust-Oleum, I don't know. Depends on what we got, but like a good oil-based enamel. I'll go ahead and make it shiny, put it back in the car. It doesn't look like it leaked from the pinion seal too bad. Maybe it did, I don't know. Probably won't put a pinion seal in it, probably just send it. But I do gotta get brake lines. I had to borrow some stuff from the rear end that's in the car, which is right there. We pulled it up here with the forklift. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch these wheels and tires off, throw them slotted mags on there, let y'all check her out. Look at that bumper, that blue paint coming out. I'm thinking the door's gold. Unless that's like a base for the green, I don't know, but got on this with some 400. Don't think it's gonna be aggressive enough. Knock some of this rough out, and then I guess go from there. I'll order the Poppy's patina, I think. I was looking at this Flood brand Pentrol or something. Saw a video on YouTube. You can get it at Lowe's like 12 bucks. Wipe it on, but I don't know. I might pick it up on the way home after I get some sandpaper and try it on one of them cars. And then we brought the old transmission in here and a table to tear it down on, so that'll be its own video. Old Turbo 400. Get these wheels on here. There you go. Old slotted mags look good. Obviously that's a small tire on the back. I think it's a 235/60. I'm thinking like a 295/60 be better. But front tires look about the right size. And these will, so the rears will stick out just a little more than they are now because the brake drum will be on there. So just a little more. I wish we'd get some tires for them 14x10s, but you can't get tires for 14x10 anymore apparently. It don't look too bad. I think we'll run with them. Let me know what y'all think about them wheels. All right, y'all. Out here in the garage. Need to shoot a kind of an ending for this video and mention a name. But sitting in these old GTO seats because I'm at the house. I want to give a huge shout out to Michael Falk. Man, I appreciate the wheels. I really do. He hooked us up, guys, with the slotted mags. I was gonna buy them from him. And he was like, look, I'd just like to kind of donate them to the cause. So big shout out to you, sir. Thank you very much for the wheels. I'm gonna get some tires and get them on the car. We're got a lot to do, but appreciate y'all tuning into the channel. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Y'all have a good one.